I am here with Sushil in Downingtown, Pennsylvania. What was your motivation for installing solar panels on the home?
Thank you, Andrew, for coming today. I actually have been looking for solar panels since past probably 6 or 7 years, and every time I thought of getting them, I felt that the price was not right. So it was an ongoing thing that I have always been in the back of my mind. But finally, this time around, when I initiated the project, got some friends around, and pulled the plug.
And what was your consideration for choosing public service solar for your installation company?
Really, main things were the interactions that I had with the public service solar. I think Tony was the primary contact point back then, and all the interactions, the knowledge that he shared, everything was just impeccable, right? When you talk to him, the warranties that he explained, the install process that he explained, the overall process of giving us time, right, to go through the decision. There was no push. It was fantastic to work with him, and asking through the questions and dealing through the challenges of putting so much money out there.
And what was it like during your installation process, the period between when you signed up and then also the installation when they were here installing?
The process was reasonably quiet. Once we signed up, we were given an install date. Somebody called from Public Service Solar that we will have an install on a particular day. In fact, I had completely forgotten about it. A week before the install date, I got a call that, hey, are you still scheduled? You are still scheduled for that day. And I was like, oh, yeah. So they're like, okay, we'll come over. And that was pretty good that, everything stayed on course.
And what's the experience been like since you've had solar panels installed?
It is very interesting. I have been tracking my solar production since then. Things have it's actually good. The initial first month was interesting because the weather was rough when I got the solar in December, and so I was like, really, is it really going to be helpful? Because I was still getting a big electricity bill. But I think since then things have calmed down. It is normalizing, and I am happy that I installed it. I actually feel that I waited for 7 years way too long.
And would you recommend solar to your neighbors, your families, and friends?
Absolutely, absolutely. It's a fantastic thing. Clean energy. You're producing at your roof. You're not, burning anything out there. Why not?
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.